Hi everyone, it's finally here. Time to go to the beach. Let's go. Good morning everyone. It is day 2 at the beach for us. We got up this morning at 6 a.m., went and walked on the beach, came back, had breakfast at the Continental Breakfast, and everybody got ready and we're going to head down to the beach for the day. I don't know how much filming I'm going to get done, but I want to bring you as much as I can in case you don't have a beach near you. Hi friends, it's Editing Leslie here in the craft room. This is where my office / craft room is. I just wanted to let you know that if this week's living room videos are off, we had a death in the family. I was notified during vacation that my niece passed away, and there may be days where I need to just concentrate on being there for my sister and just taking that time. That will be a priority. So if you turn on your bell notifications, you will be notified every time I upload. I'm trying to get a couple of uploads done today for my living room channel, this channel, and my craft room channel, so y'all will have something. But I wanted to start the week off by letting you know that there may not be, 3 videos this week on either channel. Alright guys, turn on those bell notifications so you know when I upload, and I'll see you real soon in the living room. Bye.